So here in this question, they have asked whether the set of ordered pairs are function or not. If it is function, then examine whether the mapping or the function is injective or surjective. First of all, we will see what is function. Function means every domain element, each and every domain element has a unique relation with codomain elements. Function means every element, each and every element of domain has unique relation with codomain element, or we can say that has a image in codomain element. Means let's say the A is domain and B is codomain. Function is always defined from, let's say it is defined from A to B, where A is domain and B is codomain, or we can say range. Okay, so this A is domain. Okay, so every and each and every element of A has a unique relation, has an relation. It should have a relation. Let's say we can see in the first case, ABC has a relation with B. In this case as well, ABC has a relation with B. Every element of A has a relation with B. In third case as well, we can see ABC has a relation with B elements. Here as well, ABCD, all four elements of domain has a relation with B set, that is codomain elements. So, but this relation should be unique. Unique means, let's say A is a domain element, so A should have only one image in codomain element. Means A should have unique image in codomain element. Means A must have only one image in codomain set. So we can see in the first case A has only one image, that is 1 in codomain element. In the second case we can see A has a unique relation, it has only one image in codomain element. But in third case we can see A and C has a unique relation, has a only one image in codomain element, but B has two images. We can see in third case B has two images in codomain element or codomain set. So it means that this is not a function. So this is not a function. Why? Because every element of codomain, each and every element of codomain has unique relation in codomain, has only one image in codomain, but we can see B has a two images in codomain. So that's why this is not a function. So in fourth case we can see ABCD, all four has a unique relation in B. So 1, 2 and 4 are function. So these are function. If we are talking about injective and surjective, what is injective? Injective means one function. Injective means one function. Injective means one function. Surjective means onto function. Onto function. What is one function? What is injective? Means every domain element has a unique and distinct relation with codomain elements. Domain element, each and every domain element has a unique and distinct relation in codomain element. So in the first case we can say ABC has a unique relation in codomain elements. Also, they have a distinct relation. No two elements has a same image in codomain element. But in second case, we can see A and B has a only one image, has a same image in codomain element. In the second case, we can see A and B has only one image, only same image in the codomain set. So it means that this is not a one. This is many to one. This is many. Many means AB has a one, many to one. So this is not a one function. So first one is the one function. Now let's talk about fourth case. We can see A, B, C, D has a relation, unique relation. We need to check whether all have a distinct relation or not. But we can see A and C. Here A and C has a same image in codomain set. That is one. So fourth case is also not a injective. That is not a one function. So one function is every every domain element has unique and distinct image in codomain set or image with codomain elements. What is surjective? What is onto function? Surjective means onto function. Surjective or onto function means range. Range is equals to codomain. Range is equals to codomain. If you are talking about range, so in this case we can say the range is, we need to check which codomain element has the image, pre-image in domain. We can say one has a pre-image A, the second 2, the element 2 has a pre-image C, 3 element has a pre-image as B. So 1, 2, 3 are comes under set or comes under range. Okay. So in second case we can see 2 and 4. This 2 and 4 don't have any pre-image in code domain set. These 2 and 4 don't have any pre-image in domain set. It means that only 1 and 3 are comes under range set. Okay, so 1, 3 is the range. 1, 3 are range set. So in the fourth case, we can see 1, 2, 3 all has pre-images in domain element or domain set. So here range is 1, 2, 3. But now we need to check whether the range is equals to codomain or not. So in this case, we can see codomain is 1, 2, 3 and range is also 1, 2, 3. It means that range is equals to codomain means the first one is onto function, that is surjective function. Surjective means range is equals to codomain. In the second case, we can see range is 1, 3 but codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4. It means that range is not equals to codomain. So second one is not a onto function. It is a function but it is not a onto function. That is surjective. But in third case we can see codomain is 1, 2, 3 and range is also 1, 2, 3. It means that range is equals to codomain. The fourth one is also onto function. So now let's come to the question. The very first question is x comma y. The ordered pair is x comma y. The x is a person and y is mother of x. X is a person. X comes under domain and y is codomain, we can say. Okay, or y is the range, we can say. Okay, if x is a person, then y is the mother of x. It means that each and every codomain element, y is mother of x. So x is anything, then y is x is anything. Anything has a mother in codomain. So y is mother of x means it means that whatever x is there in codomain has a mother in codomain. So x can be anyone. So anyone has a mother in codomain. So there is no such a person is left in codomain. because y is the mother of x. So two person can have a same mother as well. So function can be many to one. So second can also be there. Let's say a and b. Now let's talk about this second case. So a and b are two person, can have same mother. Yes, obviously two person can have a same mother, that is one. So it means that this second function is a many to one function. So it is not a one, it is a many to one. So it says that the first case, x is a person, y is the mother of x, is not a one function. So it is a onto function, because all codomain element has a pre-image in domain elements. Means y is a mother, then it has a some child, okay, in domain. Okay, so the first case is a onto function only, that is surjective. Okay, the first is surjective function, that is surjective, but it is not a one because two person can have a same mother. Now let's talk about the second case. A is a person and b is an ancestor of a. A is a person and b is an ancestor of a. So a person can have many ancestors. Okay, always remember this. A one person can have a many ancestor. So it is a one to many. B is an ancestor of A. So it means that, let's say A is a person in domain and B is in codomain. So A can have more than one ancestor in reality. Okay. So this is not a function. Okay. For example, this in third case we can see B. Let's say B is a person and B has an ancestor 2 and 3. Yes, one person can have many ancestor. Okay, so B has a two ancestor 2 and 3. So in this third case, so it means that this is a one to many function. It's a one to many relation, not a function. It is one to many relation, but it is not a function. It means the second case is not a function. The first case is a function, but it is not injective, it is surjective. Okay, because two person can have a same mother, so it is not a injective, not a one function. It is a onto function only.